Hello, and welcome to the FortiMonitor video series. In today's video, I will walk through a sample Onsight vCollector installation and perform an auto discovery scan of the network. Here is a diagram of the FortiMonitor deployment architecture. Onsight vCollectors can be deployed in the cloud or in the on-prem environment. In this video, I will deploy the VMware image of the Onsight vCollector into my on-prem vSphere environment. These are the required steps to deploy the Onsight virtual appliance. Number 1, log into your existing FortiMonitor account. Number 2, download the latest Onsight vCollector VMware image from the FortiMonitor cloud. Number 3, import the image as a virtual machine into your hypervisor. Number 4, configure the Onsight vCollector network and ensure you have internet access. Number 5, register the Onsight vCollector using your customer key. Number 6, review details for the newly added Onsight vCollector. And number 7, perform an auto discovery scan of the network. I have already downloaded the VMware image on my local drive. Let's now deploy the Onsight vCollector VMware image using the deploy OVF template. Okay, we're ready to complete. Click Finish to start. This process will take a few minutes, so let's return when it's complete. The Onsight vCollector VM deployment is complete. Let's now power on the VM and launch the console. This will take a few minutes. Now log in using Panopta for the username and password. The next two steps are to configure the network and to register the customer key. Let's now configure the network. Let's now register with our customer key. To obtain the customer key, we need to switch over to the FortiMonitor screen. The customer key can be found here under the My Account settings. Let's buffer the key. Okay, registering the new Onsight, it was successful. The Onsight vCollector will now automatically connect to the FortiMonitor cloud and pull down the latest vCollector image, version 2021.43.6. This process will take a few minutes, so let's pause and come back when it's done. The process is complete. The Onsight vCollector has been updated with the latest version, 2021.43.6. Note the URL for the newly added Onsight vCollector is shown here. Let's switch over to the FortiMonitor screen and locate the newly added Onsight vCollector. On the FortiMonitor screen, let's now click on the red Instances box in the upper left-hand corner. Expand the Incoming Onsights folder. Here we can see our newly added Onsight vCollector called TMG. Let's click on that to expand more details. Here we can get more information such as the Onsight key, the Onsight version, the IP address, hardware configuration. Let's now perform a quick auto discovery scan on the network to confirm the Onsight vCollector is installed and working properly. Click here. Let's add a new discovery rule set. We'll scan our 172 subnet. Let's change our ports to scan to HTTP and HTTPS. Hit save. Let's click on this button here and perform the scan. The scan will take a few minutes. The scan is complete. Let's now click on the Discovered Instances tab at the bottom of the page. Note on the left-hand side, several instances were discovered on the 172 network. That concludes today's video for the Onsight vCollector installation and auto discovery scan. Thanks for watching.